know Terra Alta for almost 20 years now, since my first visit. And in the early years I already visited many of the local growers. And in those years I was mostly interested in the red wines. It made me come back, and I learned to know most of the producers, and I've been liking it for 20 years now. But it's interesting that in the beginning I got quite quickly interested in Garnacha Blanca as well. Really happy to see that in the last years the focus on Garnacha Blanca has grown so much in Terra Alta that there are now more and more 100% monovarietal Garnacha Blancas on the market. I think there's a good market for this wine. There's a growing interest for good white wines from Spain, and Garnacha Blanca from Terra Alta brings a kind of, again, drinkability, but with good acidity levels and the freshness, which makes the wines pleasant, with good complexity, and very attractive.
Ciao Sardegna, so che state godendo di queste garnacce, che questa annata 2017 è stata bellissima, ma vi dico che il 2018 vi aspettiamo a Catalogna e precisamente in Terra Alta, dove si fa un terzo di tutta la garnaccia mondiale, e vi aspettiamo con tutto il cuore.